Hello friends, day 71. I was a bit sad to be leaving my absolutely perfect pitch last night, but I did, moved on and stopped for an early breakfast, shortly after which I thought I was hallucinating because I heard footsteps, but turns out it was Robyn, a veterinary student from Bristol, who was coming up behind me, and so we chatted and walked together for the rest of the day, which was rather nice, having company for a change. We stopped at one of the bothies en route and it was beautiful. I put some video in for you to have a look at, but as it was only midday, I decided I needed to move on a bit further, and I've stopped at another bothy, which is also pretty good. So I'll put some video of that at the end for you. Meanwhile, see you on the trail.